story. Isha's mama said, may have heard this somewhere before. Child, don't forget to cover your head. The key to your salvation is in that big black box. It fell all the way from heaven. Might sound like a paradox. Now, if you don't learn some submission, you'll end up dead. Some satanic verses, those surahs in the book. He's got his jihadis to guide the way. Just like Ibrahim, they say, there's rewards up in heaven. That's what the prophet said. Just blow yourself to kingdom come. Wine and babes will fill your cup. Now, if you don't learn some submission, you'll end up dead. That croissant they say is holy, image of the moon. Jews they say are monkeys. Now listen to this tune. The key to your salvation is in the holy writ. This would all be really funny. It's in a comic strip. But don't be laughing, you're liable to end up dead. Can't control his people. There's all this genocide. One big happy family taken for a ride. They call for foreign soldiers to solve a domestic beef. Then complain about those sinners standing in their streets. Don't be laughing, Mahound Dog, all is dead.